So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Do you have the lunch?
Yes, I had my lunch. How are you all doing?
I am fine.
You all are fine. Okay.
Yes,
Now,
I'm fine.
tell me which was the chapter that we were dealing with?
Desktop.
Desktop.
Desktop. Yes. Desktop.
Desktop. Desktop. It's desktop. Yes, introduction to desktop, isn't it? That was the name of our chapter.
Desktop.
Introduction to desktop. Yes. What all did we learn in that? What all did we learn about?
Desktop is a man in area.
Main screen area. Yes, that's a main screen area. When can you see this main screen area? When you turn on or turn off the computer?
Turn on.
Turn on. Yes, you can see that when you turn on the computer, isn't it? Then we also learned about the three main parts of the desktop. Which were they?
Wallpaper.
Yes. Okay, wallpaper, taskbar, and one more. There were three. Icons. Very good. Wallpaper, taskbar, and also icons. We learned three main important parts of the desktop, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes.
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 Okay. So I'm going to share the screen.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Can you see?
Ma'am, no.
Can you see the board?
This is a desktop.
This is a desktop. You're right. This is a desktop. I'm going to mark a few parts. Just tell me if you can identify them. Okay? Yes. So what do you call these small pictures on the desktop?
Icons.
What do you call them?
Icons.
Wait, let me ask you, Arav. What do you call them? What do you call these small pictures on the desktop?
Icon.
Arav is going to answer. What do you call? Yes, we call them icons, isn't it? Yes, the small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Yes, what is it, Sasha? What do you call the small pictures on the desktop? Icons. Yes, icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Is that clear? I hope you don't have any confusion in this. Okay. Now next one. Let's see the next part. Okay. Wait. Wait for your chance. I'll call out your name. Okay. So there is a yellow line now on the screen. Can you see the yellow line?
Yes.
Yes. So Elaine, what do you call the bar just below this yellow line?
Taskbar.
Yes, we call them.
Bar.
Call that taskbar. Taskbar. Yes, Antonis, is that taskbar? Can you see the taskbar?
Yes.
Antonis?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now, Alessia. Alessia, tell me, where can you see the taskbar? Is it on the bottom or at the top? The taskbar is present at the bottom or on top?
Top. Bottom.
Bottom. It's present at the bottom, isn't it? At the down part of the desktop. Where can you see the taskbar? It's here, isn't it? That's the down part, which means it's at the bottom of the desktop or bottom of the screen. So where is the taskbar present? It's present at the
Bottom.
bottom. It's present at the bottom of the screen. Clear? Yes,
Yeah.
bottom of the screen. Now we had one more part. Which was that?
Wallpaper.
Wallpaper. Yes, and where is the wallpaper? Can you see the wallpaper here?
Yes.
Yes, the background picture shown here. That is in which color?
White.
I'm drawing with white, but the background picture is which color? Blue colored one, isn't it?
I don't
Yes.
like blue.
Yes, blue colored one. That is called the wallpaper. What is it called? Wallpaper. Sanvi, what is it called? Sit straight, Sanvi. What is it called? Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Okay, clear? Yes. So we learned about the three main parts of the desktop. They are called wallpaper,
Wallpaper,
taskbar,
icons.
icons, wallpaper, taskbar, and also icons. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you see an icon here?
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see an icon here? I've circled it with green. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I can see it.
How do you open an icon?
Double click.
Yes.
Double click.
You're right. You have to make a double click. So what you will do is you'll take the mouse. Okay. We have a mouse, no, attached to the computer. Yes. We'll take the mouse. We'll keep the mouse pointer on the icon, and then we'll make a what click?
Double click.
Double click. Double click means how many clicks? How many clicks? Two clicks.
Two click.
Two clicks. Okay. Again, I'll repeat the steps. You have to take the mouse. You have to keep the mouse pointer above the icon. Then you have to make a double click, which means you have to click 2 times. The left mouse button, you have to click 2 times very quickly. Then there'll be what made? Double click made. Okay, fine. Shall we open and see the icon? Yes. So I'm going to make a double click here. Look at the screen, everybody. Please look at the screen. I'm going to make a double click.
Okay.
Yes. So if I make a double click, what will happen? What will happen if I make a double click?
The board.
Yes, that will open up. Okay, let's see if it will open or not. I'm going to make a double click here. See, can you see a box? White box?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I'll open that once more. What should I do to open?
Double click.
Double click
Double
on the
click.
icon. Yes, double click on the icon. And then here we have the white box. There is a name given for this white box. You know that?
No. No.
No, it's called a window. What's it called? Window. It's called a window. 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 What is it called? It's called a window. Yes. This white box that pops up when you open an icon or when you open a program. That's called a window.
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 Window. Yes, that's called a window. Is that clear?
Yes.
Window. Yes. So when you open an icon or when you open a program or a document, there is a box or a frame that appears in front of you. What is that called? It's called a
Window.
window. Yes.
Window.
Window. It's called a window. 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 Yes, you're right.
Window.
Now, we learned how to open an icon, isn't it? What should we do? We have to make a
double click.
very good, Antonis. It's a double click. You have to make a double click. Now, how to close this window now?
Close button. Close button.
Close button. Where is this close button present?
X.
Yes, it looks like an X, isn't it? Yes, Nathaniel? Yes.
it's
Is
a
it looking
X.
like this?
Yes, it's an X, but it's actually a close button.
Close button. Yes. It can be
Close
called
button.
as an X button or a close button. There are some people who call them X buttons. Okay. So on the right corner of the window, can you see that? On top right corner, you can see a close button. See?
I can see.
Yes. Look here. Everybody look here.
Can
you see this?
There are question mark. This here.
Yes, that is called
That's
close
the
button. What is it called?
Close
Close button.
Close button.
Close button. It looks like this. Close button looks like this in a box. Understood?
Yeah.
Yes. So if you want to close a program or close a document or close a window, you'll go and click on the,
Yes.
you go and click on the what?
Close button.
Close button. So I'm going to click on the close button. Let's see what happens. Yes. Is it closed?
Yes.
Yes, it's closed now. Okay.
It's closed.
It's closed now. So we learned how to open a program or how to open an icon. We also learned to how to close the window or the program. Okay. Yes. Shall we try it once more?
Yes.
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 Okay. Okay, look here. Look here, please. Srinidhi, look here. Now we are going to open this folder again. What are the steps to be followed? What should I do first? If I want to open this icon, what will I do first?
Double click. Double click.
Double click where? Can I double click on just on the wallpaper?
No.
No. Where should I place the mouse pointer?
Double click. Click in the icon.
On the icon. Very good. You have to make it. Yes, yes, you're right. You have to make a double click on the icon. If I just double click somewhere else, nothing will happen. See, I'm clicking somewhere else on the wallpaper, nothing will happen. You have to go and click on the icon which you want to open. Understood? So I want to open this one. So I'll show you. I want to open this one.
Double click.
Okay. So I have to go and click on that folder or on that icon. I'm going to do that now. I made a double click and here we have a what? What is this called? What is this box called?
A white window.
Yes, it's a window. It's called a window. What's it called? Window. Yes, it's called a window. Now, Zara, can you tell me how to close this?
First, the close button.
Zara Batul, can you tell me how to close this?
Close button.
Where should I click on?
Close button.
Close button. Yes,
Close
that's
button.
right. That's right. I have to click on the close button. Now, Daksh, can you tell me how does the close button look like? Unmute and speak.
Yes. Yes.
Egg shape, isn't it? It looks like an eggs. Yes. So Naumika, please unmute.
Yes.
Naumika, is this the close button? This one? Is that the close button, Naumika? Mika is stuck. Via, please help me. Is that the close button?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So shall I go and click on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm going to go and click on the close button. So it's gone, isn't it? It's closed. That folder is closed already. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So in this chapter, what was the name of the chapter again? Introduction to Desktop. Introduction to desktop. We learned what a desktop is. We also learned which are the three main parts of the desktop. Which are the three main parts again? Hmm? Icons. Yes, taskbar and icons. Wallpaper, taskbar and icons, isn't it? Wallpaper, taskbar and also icons. Then we learned how to open an icon. How do you do that? Double click on the icon. Double click on the icon. Yes, you have to make a double click on the icon. Then, when you open an icon, a box or a frame appears in front of you. What is that box called?
Window.
Ameya, what is that box called? Called a? Yes, unmute and speak. It's called a window. It's called a window. Yes. Now, which button should you click on to close the window? Close button. Yes. That also we have completed learning. Now, what do you call the small pictures on the desktop? The small pictures? Icons. Very good. We call them icons. The small pictures on the desktop are called icons. Then what do you call the big background picture on the desktop? Wallpaper. We call it wallpaper. Ira, what is the background picture called? It's called the wallpaper. Yes, it's called the wallpaper. Then there was one more part, the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. What is it called? Aditya, what is it called? The long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen. What is it called? It's called the taskbar. Yes, it's called the taskbar. Okay. So icons, wallpaper, and also taskbar. So where is the taskbar present? At the bottom or on top? Bottom of the screen, at the down part, isn't it? We already saw that. Do you want to see once more? Yes? Do you want to see it once more? Yes, I'll show you. Wait. Okay, see here. Look here, everybody. Here we have the taskbar. This is the taskbar. Okay. This one at the bottom of the screen, that is called the taskbar. What is it called? Taskbar. Oh, taskbar, yes. So what do you call the main screen area that appears in front of you when you turn on your computer? What do you call that?
Desktop.
Is it desktop or desktop?
Desktop.
What is it? Desktop. Yes, it's called the desktop. All right. So that's it. Now, okay. Can you open your rough books, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Where are you? I think fish. I think. But I have anything rough?
Okay.
I have only Max rough book.
If you don't have rough book, you can take the notebook. You can write on the back side of the note. Now, one more thing. Did we learn about the start button? No, right? I didn't tell you about the start button. See, everybody look at the board.
Yes.
See, here you have a button, isn't it? At the left corner of the taskbar. That's called the start button. What is it called? Start button. It's called a start button. Yes. We can, yes, dear. We can select different programs from the start button itself. See, I'm clicking on the start button. See, look here, look here. We have different options to choose from. Okay, and there is a search bar here. You can type anything that you want and then find it out very easily. Okay, I'm going to type calculator. See, calculator is already here. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yes, I'll show it once more. I'm going to click on start button. Okay, we have different options here to choose from. Whichever program we want, we can select. Okay, just like that, we have a search bar here. There we can type calculator. See, calculator. That is already calculator that is appearing on top. Did you see that?
Yes.
Now I'll type something else. Camera. Let's see, camera. See, camera is also there. Understood?
Yes.
Yes. So where is the start button present? It's present on the taskbar, on the left side of the taskbar. Did you see which is the start button? This one.
Yes.
This one. Okay. That's called the start button. Where is the start button present? On which part of the desktop? Where is the start button present?
Left side of the taskbar.
Taskbar, at the left end of the taskbar. Okay. All right. So we are going to do an activity from the worksheet. All right.
Yes.
Yes. You have to find the missing letters.
The back page or the front page?
You can write on the back page.
Okay.
D E S dash T dash P.
Can you write this?
Yes, you can write this. What would this be? Find the missing letters. D E S dash T dash P.
In which book? In which book?
You can write in the rough book. If you don't have it, you can take note.
Desktop.
What is the first one?
Desktop.
Tell me the spelling. D E S K T
O.
O. Yes. D E S K T O P. Desktop.
Non-captured. Which book?
You have to take your rough books, dear.
Mom, I have not hungry.
If you don't have the rough book, please take your notebook, write on the back side. Okay, what would be the second one? We just learned about a button towards the end of the class. What was it? ST?
Close button.
No. After that,
Button.
start button. ST?
Start button.
Start button. So what would it be? ST?
A.
A. Very good. Start button.
STA.
STA.
Button.
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 Then next one. WAL dash PAP dash R. What is it? Yes. Wallpaper. So what would be the spelling? WALLL PAP ER. Wallpaper.
PAP
ER. Wallpaper.
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 Window.
Wallpaper. Done?
No, I don't have completed my
It's okay, it's okay. You can write. Now, fourth one is WIND-W. What is it?
window.
Window. So what should I write in the blank? Window.
Where is taskbar? D-O-W.
O-O-W. Window. Now, fifth one, IC-NS. What is it? Icons. 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 Okay, you can copy this down. I'm going to take the attendance.
Ma'am, this class 2B or A1.
Okay, Arav Krishna Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush,
Yeah, present, ma'am.
Abel Biju,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Sunil,
Present, ma'am.
Adona Anto,
Present,
Aitna,
present, ma'am.
Alezia,
Present, ma'am.
Ameya Krishna, present. Amrin Mohammed,
Present, ma'am.
Amrin is present today.
Yes.
Where is Amrin?
Ma'am.
Angel Mary.
Ma'am, Amrin is present,
Yes,
right?
Amrin, yes. Angel. Angel Mary. Absent. Antonis. Antonis is present. Okay, next is Aradhya Srijit. Aradhya Srijit. Absent. Ira Zian.
Present.
Present. Daksh R. Pillai.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Dhara.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay. Elaine.
Present, ma'am.
Ethan.
Present, ma'am.
Gauri Krishna. No. Okay. Isa Tino. Isa Tino. Ishfaq Noora.
I have completed my work.
Okay, good. Ishfaq Noora is absent. Trishang. Krishang. Mahadev.
Ma'am, Krishna is present.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Krishang.
Krishang.
Yes, yes. Mia Teresa. Mia.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Muhammad Ahsan. Yeah, he was present. Nakshatra. Nakshatra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Akshatra, present, ma'am.
Yes. Namasvi.
Present,
Present.
ma'am.
Nathaniel.
Present, ma'am.
Naumika. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Nazaha. Present. Nihit Vipin. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Orville. Vaikartan.
Aliasia, present.
Yes. Raya Fatima. Raya Fatima.
Present, ma'am.
Raya Fatima. Mohammed Hassan, I've marked your attendance. Raya Fatima is present. No. Ritika Vinesh, present. Rituparna, present. Sanvi,
Present.
yes. Sanvi,
Present, ma'am.
present. Saharsh.
Ma'am, Muhammad Hassan present.
Mohammed Mehsan, I've marked your attendance, my dear. Please mute your audio. Sarish and Sasha. Present, right? Srinidhi, Via, Wilba. Present. Zara.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Have you all completed writing?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Please don't shout. Shall we have a dictation the next class?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So study the words from this chapter and come. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, dear. Yes. Shall I stop sharing? Have you all completed?
Yes.
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 Okay then. Shall we meet in the next class?
Yes. Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye.